Vengeance. Going out of Frontiertown on the train. Take the train up to Millennium Force. The Millennium, I'll get off there and go to the VIP lounge, grab a drink and my cookies, and then head out to home. People waiting in line for Steel Vengeance. Coming out from Steel Vengeance. Found this today around the park. When I walked in, it was on the ground. I know people make these and leave them around the park. There's something on there. I'll hide it again later. Alright, now we're entering Boneville. In the outhouse. It's good to see they got all the effects working. Come up by Gemini area, people waiting to cross, wait for the train to clear. People got stuff on the right hand side this time, yep. Sawmill. Across the water, the Cedar Creek mine right here on the right. Skyhawk over there. On the left, we've got Millennium and Power Tower. Tops rule 2. Cedar Creek runs right up next to the lift hill here. Also got some moonshine. That Copperhead Strike at Carowinds. Gunshots. Gunshots are working. I thought there was a fire somewhere. Snake River Falls used to be right over there. And Shoot the Rapids in this area. Shoot the Rapids didn't last as long as Snake River Falls. Had a lot of various things back here since then. Right now it's closed, there's nothing back here. Probably planning on a new ride where Snake River Falls was, and maybe to take up some of this area. Past Frontiertown. Fixing the tracks. Here's the fire. Where's now the fire working? It's going the wrong direction. You see fire in those windows up there. Rougarou. Come up next to Rougarou. Gets a lot of hate, but it's a good coaster. I think seen towards the back, it's less rough. The worst part is the second half after the brake run. That seems to be the roughest. I don't like to wear sunglasses on it because if your ears bounce between the restraints, then causes some pain. Up here we'll cross the walkway. Siren's Curse up here on the right. Millennium. Some more wiggle. Alright, dragging over there, top wheel 2. Waiting to cross. It's about 11:43 in the morning. So there's the Millennium VIP lounge over here. So I'll get off and go across the tracks back there and get a drink and a snack and then head out for the day. Iron Dragon, Siren's Curse. It's a long train. It's actually coal powered. Steam, but there's coal up there they shovel. So that's pretty cool.
Train is rolling back. Please remain seated.
Remain seated.
At this time, you may exit on the platform side only.